think something's wrong. How did I get in the car seat? Is she? What's going on here? Ah!
That's mine.
What's good, Ram? It's your boy Ram back with another vlog. Right now we just headed to a little place to go hiking real quick. We're gonna take a quick little, it's nice outside, nice and fresh. We're gonna go outside, take a little hike. Empty wanted to explore the forest, she said. So we find in a little foresty hike area.
We had our new hats from the barbecue place we didn't bring. We could have worn our hats.
What? Yeah, the trail you weren't supposed to go on, there was a mountain. Ready to keep going? You got, oh, you good? You just smack your knee, girl. Here, let me hold your hand. You got this. Dust yourself off. See, you fine? You fine, right?
This is nothing to do.
What? Baby girl, you
You're
okay?
fine. Take a couple steps.
Haha. Yeah. You old as hell. I'm talking about, yeah, you old as hell right now, Savannah.
I can't do this with a baby.
I just tried to get him so I could get down that step.
That's not that big of a step.
Sorry, Lucas.
Your mama's a wimp. You have to keep moving a little bit. Be nasty.
It's just because water is
Oh.
leaky.
Gonna be in a what?
A murder.
Gotta get that way.
Yeah, that way.
Right there, the trail right there. Into the thick of it. Ah! Ah!
I want to check. Oh, how close is it? Sorry. Maybe some.
Only you could get my breath right now in that video.
If it was cold.
I'm not.
Oh. Sounded like a tire. It was just a rock. Oh. This guy is brave as the other guy. Oh, they moved all the way over there.
Yeah, 'cause they almost took a dog.
This guy's really brave.
Yeah, I thought you were brave, sorry.
Just made it back to the car. We headed back home to eat some lunch now. We haven't ate today, so we are all hungry. We're about to go eat some food. Empy's gonna have to take a nap, and then we see what else we do today. We're probably gonna DoorDash for a bit and see what we get into. I may take a fucking shower, because I can smell myself on that hike.
Bye-bye, friends. See you tomorrow. CB!